This is Liberty stock number 50912. It's a Lissmac model SBM-L 1000 G1S2. It's a grinding and deburring machine with grinding belt for deburring top and bottom and a sanding block belt for edge rounding top and bottom. Serial number E42L1003. Again, deburring and edge rounding of both sides in single pass.
Yep, we're good to go. You're looking at the front end. We can take a walk through, show a few things, come back around. We'll fire up some motors.
Okay.
Open up the doors. Main control. New PLC. It's an upgraded PLC, HMI and PLC package. Throttle, joystick controls for adjustments on the belts and the various assemblies. These are your motors. We're going to run one upper G, that's the sanding belt. These are the brush block belts. We'll run all of those. And this is hydraulic. And setup switch, keys, e-stop, and those are your lights. This is motor start down here. So you come around to the main panel. Power supply is up high. That's the conveyor. Frequency drive, the Toshiba. All the soft starts for the motors are down here. And there's the new Schneider PLC that we just put in. Down low, and all the relays. Currently 480 coming in on the floor. That's my temp cord coming in, 3-phase. Got the old 3-phase here for the mist collector and conveyor on the back side coming off. All the covers are off. Most of these covers are off because we were doing some maintenance on it, so you get a better look at everything. In fact, I can pop this open. If we show one, they're symmetrical top to bottom pretty much, so if you see one, you see them both. Drive motors again for the brush belts here. And on the other side is the conveyor, like I said, for the grinding belt. That's just the brush belts on this side.
All right.
Yep. Tag. Collection cabinet for dust. And back to the front end again. We can show a couple of screens here maybe. Here's the main screen right here. It shows adjustments. I'm not going to play with the adjustments. We got it set for a part right now. There's the readout for the upper and lower units. They're all adjustable, like I said, off the joystick and or the screen setting. There's menu, language, cleaning, alerts. We should have an alert now because I had the door open, I think. So there's all your alerts. You need this to be all green to run it. And that's just me reset. I just hit the reset button. Now we've cleared everything, so we're good to run right there. And there's a couple other screens you can go into, but the main one is operation. There's cleaning, contact information. I haven't really gone into that, date and time, but the main one is operation. And if you go into any one of these, I forget, no, not this one, settings. Now you can play with up and down with the G belt, up and down with the for the lower belt, all that good stuff, yeah. So we're just gonna leave it back on the main screen here. Like I said, we've got all 4 brush belts on right now, and the upper sanding belt right here. I'm gonna hit the start button, you'll hear it, and while it's running, I can pop this one open because I have the interlock disconnected, and the covers are off, so you can pretty much see everything moving. It's a safe way to do it because we're not running any parts through. And you'll see the conveyor on right here, which is variable speed, which is this dial right here. I'm about midway for that. I'm gonna hit the start button, everything will take off, and we'll go from there, okay? Secondary delay on the back motors. There's the other one, they're all on now. Conveyors on, upper sanding belt, all 4 brush belts. Show it open here. There's the sanding belt. There's the brush belt. Same thing on the bottom. Sounds good. Close it up. And put it down. them all runs pretty good. This is hydraulics, on off, for the tensioner on the belt. So it stays on all the time. Obviously, when you're running it, you shut it off if you want to release tension so you could change the grinding belts. That's pretty much it. We're good to go here, Pete.